Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the stage. Tighten the waistband so it sits snug on your hips and click the buckle. Once done, loosen the shoulder straps all the way so you can slide the carrier body up. You then pick up your baby and place them against your chest, keeping their head high near your chin for clear airways. Make sure knees are higher than bottom in an ergonomic M shape. This protects hips and supports natural spine curvature. You now lift the carrier body up over the baby and slide one arm through, then the other, so both shoulder straps rest comfortably. Pull each strap down and back to remove slack until the baby feels supported and close to your body. Fasten the chest clip at about chest level to keep straps from sliding. Then, cinch the fabric panel under the baby's bottom to create a seat. Make sure their chin is off their chest so breathing stays clear. You finish with quick but crucial checks. Ensure the baby's face is visible, their chin is up with about 1 finger's space under it, and their back is curved in a natural C shape. Move around, walk and bend forward slightly to verify the carrier holds them tight and keeps weight distributed. If you see any slumping or the baby leaning to one side, stop, loosen the straps, recenter the fabric panel, and red-eye tin. This fixes most fit issues and restores proper support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.